Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a collage on Instagram story. So first of all, open Instagram. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Click onto your story option, select an image and set up. And then click on to sticker option, click on to photo option and add another photo. Or if you want to add text, music or effect, and then click on to share. So that's it. That's how we can easily make a collage on Instagram story.